Hi guys, Joe here from Lawn Solutions Australia. Some lawns can lose colour and turn brown over the winter months. So now is the perfect time to apply ColourGuard Plus to give your lawn an instant hit of colour and nutrient to improve its overall appearance. This can also eliminate the need for iron treatments and to oversow with cool season seeded varieties. The best time to apply ColourGuard Plus is when your lawn has slowed in growth but it is still healthy. Warm season turfgrass varieties are the more common and environmentally responsible choice for the Australian conditions. Warm season turfgrass varieties, whilst fantastic in summer because they use less water, will lose some colour over the winter, which is the only thing cool season grass varieties have in their favour. But there is a solution where you can have a green lawn all year round whilst being environmentally responsible, and that solution is ColourGuard Plus. ColourGuard Plus is a natural grass pigment that when applied is absorbed into the leaf of the grass, keeping it green even when it has slowed in growth and when it's no longer producing chlorophyll. You can use it all year round. It has 100% natural ingredients that won't harm the health or growth of your lawn, and it lasts for up to 3 months. Now I know what you're thinking, that it's just spray paint for your lawn. Well, in a way it kind of is, as it turns your lawn green, but the comparison stops there. The significant difference is that ColourGuard Plus doesn't stick to the outside of the leaf like a paint, it is absorbed into the leaf as a pigment. This will give your lawn a much more natural appearance whilst not disrupting the function of the plant.
How to apply ColourGuard Plus to your lawn. Spray ColourGuard Plus when it is dry and there is no rain forecast. Work your way across the lawn from one side to the other. If you happen to get some on your concrete, driveway or any other surface, be sure to rinse it off straight away to avoid any staining. ColourGuard Plus also contains a liquid fertiliser component, providing a small boost to the health of your lawn. So it's not just a cosmetic fix, it has a nutritional benefit as well.
You missed a spot. ColourGuard Plus also acts as a blanket for your grass, allowing it to retain an internal leaf temperature 2 degrees higher than untreated areas. You can apply ColourGuard Plus when it's actively growing, but the product will grow out with the leaf, like dyed hair, but much quicker. If it is still actively growing, it can still be useful if you have an event or after a quick spruce up for photos where it only needs to improve the colour for a specific date or time period. If you apply ColourGuard Plus once it's slowed in growth, you can get the benefit of a green leaf for up to 12 weeks.
An area like this is about 150 square metres and it only took 15 minutes from start to finish. Once the lawn has absorbed the ColourGuard Plus and it is dry, this is usually within 24 hours, you can then hose off the lawn to remove any residue. This will help to ensure you avoid any unnecessary transference.
ColourGuard Plus is now available in 4 convenient sizes: 2 litre ready to use bottle, 100ml concentrate, ColourGuard Plus 2.5 litre concentrate and a ColourGuard Plus 10 litre concentrate. So you can simply clip it onto your hose to apply or mix with water as required with a knapsack or commercial spraying system. If your lawn is looking a little sad through winter and it could use a mini facelift before spring, then ColourGuard Plus is the answer. Check out the Lawn Solutions Australia website to buy online or to find your nearest supplier, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for seasonal updates and tips on your lawn. Thanks for tuning in to Lawn Solutions Australia, and we hope to catch you next time.